and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today I'm coming at you guys with a day in the life vlog. I'm really excited to be taking you all along. You know, it's fun to come on here and share my hauls and share it all with you guys, but being a couponer, there's a lot more that goes into it than that. You know, so I'm going to take you guys along for like some behind the scenes kind of couponing stuff. So I'm excited. I also am planning on running over to Dollar General today and doing a couple of little deals. So I'll take you guys along for that. It's just going to be a fun day. I'm excited to vlog and I hope you guys are excited to follow me along. So I am hungry. It is breakfast time for me. So I'm actually going to splurge. It's Saturday. Why not? I'm going to try one of these like donut things, these Prime Bites protein brownie donuts. I don't know. I figured I'm going to try it, so I might as well like show it with two guys on camera. And that's the thing about couponing, is a lot of times we get super interesting products. So sometimes we try them, and then other times I'm like, I really don't want this, so I'm just going to like donate it. It was free or a moneymaker, so, you know, give it to somebody who will use it. But it is kind of fun as a couponer to be able to try like new products and see how things taste and stuff. And so yeah, I'm excited to go ahead and give this donut thing a try. 19 grams of protein, pretty sweet. So yes, let's open this up here. Oh, okay. See, I was under the impression that it was going to actually be shaped like a donut, but it's not. It's just like a big old brownie. So, okay, let's see how this tastes. Guys, that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. And for being healthy, like, I mean, I don't know how healthy it really is, but it's healthier than a regular donut. This is awesome. Like, I'd highly recommend this. So I'm really excited. I'm going to enjoy that. And I'm also going to go ahead and try this Dr. D's Crisp Apple Delicious Gut Support Probiotic Drink. I've been craving apple cider because, you know, it's almost fall and everybody's getting their apple cider out and stuff. So I don't know. Should I hope that it tastes like this? Probably not. But I actually like my apple cider cold. I'm weird like that. I don't like it warm. So we'll have to see. Let's see how this tastes. So as you can tell by my reaction there, this was not at all what I was hoping for. Totally not apple cider. And I mean, crisp apple, I would say it's more like a sour apple. I mean, it hits you. Like the minute you take a sip of it like hits you. This is legit like sour. So I'm actually going to go ahead and dump this out. I'm not going to drink it. It's just not like worth it for me. No shade to Dr. D. They do have other flavors, but this is all my Kroger hat. So yeah, but that did not turn out how I was hoping. But that brownie, hey, that made up for it. 2 thumbs up for that. That was amazing. All right, so behind the scenes couponing thing that I am super bad about is coming in my stockpile and actually putting things away. And that is so bad, but I have been one to just like dump the bags on the ground and be like, I'll deal with this later. And then, you know, that goes on for a week or so or 2 weeks and you got a lot of stuff to put away. So I'm trying to be more on top of it, putting things away, getting things ready for donation. It's the weekend when I'm filming this, so I can't donate today, but a lot of the stuff I get couponing, like I said, I'll just donate. Like if it was free or something, and if I don't necessarily want it, I'll go ahead and donate it so somebody can use it. But yeah, I need to put things away. So here's what I got to deal with. This is stuff from my last couple of hauls. So I need to get these things put away. I also need to organize like my donating stuff. Like I have this like pile of donation stuff in this crate, but I need to divvy it up between like personal care donations and food donations because that goes to a couple different places. So yeah, I gotta do it, and let's just take you guys along. So let's get to organizing. So got my stockpile stuff all put away. broke down all those different boxes of granola bars and stuff and just put them in a bin. That's a lot easier and takes up a lot less space, so that's good. Got my donation bin, so I have a lot of food stuff to donate. Some personal care items as well as some pet items, so got some donation bins. I gotta go take that food stuff because that's like overflowing. But yes, also got just my things, all like the stockpile stuff all put away. It's looking really good in here, like guys, pretty well stocked, so awesomeness. Okay, so this isn't necessarily couponing, but this is just like smart Christmas gift shopping. I have been like getting the majority of my Christmas shopping done. Like throughout the year when things would go on clearance, things would go on sale, I would go ahead and pick them up and just stash them away. I have this beautiful Christmas stockpile. I have this like one shelf unit here, and I do have some like bags hanging off the, I know it looks like a hot mess, but the closer we get to Christmas, the more filled it gets. And basically what I do is I try to have bags for each person, and I like fill the bags up. So that's kind of how I've been doing it. But, you know, the more I'm out and I find gifts and things on sale, I got to put those things away as well and also track them in my digital system I have set up to track Christmas gifts. So, like, know the stuff that I bought people. So, yeah, that's another, like, behind the scenes, like, not necessarily couponing, but, you know, some stuff I couponed for as well. So, you know, I got to keep track of that. So that's one of my money-saving hacks, shopping for Christmas, but you got to keep it organized. And then also my grandma, I've been helping her with her Christmas shopping because she isn't able to drive anymore. She doesn't get out to the stores too often. And, you know, she is on a fixed income and needs help coming up with deals. And thankfully, that's something that I'm really, you know, good at, trying to be able to find deals for her, you know, shopping all the clearance sales and stuff like that. So really been like working with her this year so that she can do Christmas, and it's going to be really nice. I'm so thankful we've been able to do that and get her stuff to give to her family and loved ones. I know she's really excited for that as well. So yeah, definitely Christmas takes a lot of organization for me. I know I get comments like, just give gift cards. To me, you know, gift cards just aren't as fun. I love gift giving. It's like my main love language is gift giving. I love it. I love to be able to help out my family and give gifts. Guys, car vlogging is so awkward because my setup for car vlogging has never been very good. It's kind of a bummer. I actually did recently have a mount that I was able to like hook up to this mirror I got a few months ago, and it was awesome. I loved it, but it ended up breaking. So now I'm back to having to like prop my phone up against various objects in the car trying to make it work. But anyways, I'm currently here in the Walmart lot. I'm about to head in and film some deals. I'm going to be doing a video for tomorrow on Sunday, so for sure come back for that. And then I am going to go to Dollar General after that and do a couple of like couponing deals, so I'll share that with you guys. But I wanted to give a quick little health update about, you know, what's been going on and everything. I did a video a couple of weeks ago, like specifically breaking everything down. If you want to hear more, you can check out that video. It's called What's Going On With Me, or What's Been Going On With Me, something like that, where I like broke down in detail what's been going on. But long story short, 2.5 weeks ago now, my doctor abruptly changed one of my medications. We switched from one medication to another, and what we should have done was slowly tapered off of the medication and slowly eased into the new one. That is not what she did. They have very, very clearly told me that I needed to go off of this one medication right away and jumpstart into this other one. So that's exactly what I did, you know, trusting my doctor. Up there playing basketball in the Walmart parking lot. Okay. Anyway, it actually went wrong. This was such a horrible experience. I ended up having such crazy withdrawal symptoms from like not having that medication in my system. I had to end up going to the ER, just getting checked out, making sure like I'm not dying or anything like that. And they did a bunch of tests and thankfully everything was good. But, you know, it was really, really scary. And even the ER doctor was like, I don't like to talk about a colleague, but I cannot believe they did that with this medication. Like, you don't just cold turkey go off this kind of medication. But anyway, they did, and it happened. But thankfully I am on the up and up. Everything is looking good now. The only thing I'm still struggling with is the sleep. You know, some days I get a lot of sleep, and then some days like I'll get not even 4 hours of sleep, and that's not normal. I typically get my 8 hours. I typically get my 8 hours of sleep consistently every night, but you know, it's been kind of a struggle, hit or miss on when I get sleep and stuff. So, you know, that's kind of what I've been going through. It is getting better, though. I for sure will say that. I am on the up and up. Things are so much better than they were like even a week ago. So I'm really thankful for that. And yes, thank you guys so much for all your prayers and kind words and all that. Y'all are amazing. Thank you so much. And I will say, update on my doctor. I totally am not staying with my current doctor. Like, there is no way after this experience I'd ever trust her again. And I get it, mistakes happen, but, you know, you can't be making mistakes as a doctor that could cost people their life. That's just not right. But it got even worse. Like, this whole story gets even worse, if you can believe this. Like, you can't make this stuff up. So when she told me to switch cold turkey, she wanted me to go off of the one med that day and start the new one. She was like, well, you know, it could require some like authorization through the pharmacy. So I'm going to give you a sample of the medication that we have here. So she gave me a 30-day sample. And so that's what I was taking. I was able to go to the pharmacy and get the new medication, which some of you guys mentioned that too. You're like, well, the pharmacist should have told you, you know, they should have like notified you not to do this. My pharmacy didn't really say anything. They did ask that I went to pick up the new med. They said, are you still needing the other one? And I said, no. And that was it. They gave me the new med. They didn't mention like a taper or anything. They just asked, do I still need that other medication? So, you know, they didn't say anything either. But I was taking the samples from the doctor, and guys, you cannot make this stuff up. I was looking, like, getting out my pills to like refill for the week. And the sample she gave me on August 30th straight up expired in January. Like, what on earth? This medicine expired 9 months ago, and she gave that to me to take. Like, what on earth? So not only did she cut me cold turkey from one med, switch to another, but I don't know of like how, if that med 9 months expired was even like working or anything like that. But I'm sure it couldn't have been as like potent as it was if it had been in date. So, I mean, like, I'm here taking expired meds. You cut me cold turkey off of meds you weren't supposed to cut me cold turkey off of. No wonder my body crashed like it did. And it's like, those are two huge mistakes on one visit. Like, we're done. So thankfully I did get a hold of I've been calling around town trying to find doctors, and you wouldn't believe how many of them aren't even taking patients right now. But I did find one who's taking patients with my insurance, and they are like reviewing. They have me answer a bunch of questions, and they said the doctor will be like looking through that stuff, and they should let me know if I don't hear back in a week to call. So I'm really, really hoping and praying I get into this doctor. I've heard really good things, so here's hoping. So yeah, that's kind of what's up. What an ordeal. What a big experience. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get into Walmart and get my video done, and then I will go to Dollar General. So the next time I talk to you guys will probably be at Dollar General. So on my mom's account, she got this Dollar General coupon for $3 off of your purchase of 301. So I'm going to see what we can do with that. And then I do have some couponing deals, so I'm pretty stoked. All right, DG time. All right, so I'm going to buy some Airheads. The Airheads Bites, these guys are $1, and I do have $1.90 on Shopkick, so 90-cent moneymaker. You guys might have saw this in my haul video this morning I posted, because I ran to Dollar General last night. I was like, I know I'm going to come back and do these again as long as they're available. And then this one's $1.25, and there's a separate $1.90 back for this, so this is a 65-cent moneymaker. Okay, so now this is a freebie at Walmart, but I'm actually going to go ahead and do it at the Dollar General because my Walmart has been out. Like 3 different Walmarts I've checked have been all out of this for weeks. So Dollar General does have the Pine Sol for $3. I do have a rebate on Shopkick for $2.80 back, so 20 cents. So okay, that's nice. Gonna grab that. All right, so a little awkward, but my grandma needed a toilet bowl brush holder thingy, and so this is $3.50 over here at Dollar General. I'm gonna use that $3 coupon, so it'll just be 50 cents, and that's cheaper even than Dollar Tree. So nice. All right, so small little DG haul. I was gonna get some fabric softener because it said there was a digital coupon, like it had a tag up, but I don't know. The coupon must have like went away early or something. But this should all still be like $1 moneymaker after tax. So I'm really, really excited for this. Great deal. All right, it's all done at the DG. Got some pretty good stuff actually. I'm loving the Shopkick for the Airheads. I hope I just keep resetting, as well as the Pine Sol, and I'll just keep running back in and doing those deals because it's really good and ends up being a good moneymaker in the end. And yeah, even though the Pine Sol is a better deal at Walmart, I just don't know why. Walmart has not had the Pine Sol for like weeks. It's really, really odd. But anyways, thankfully it's close enough in price at Dollar General to make it worth it. So guys, this is going to be all for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed this little bonus video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.